Hello everyone! I'm Ayana, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to change and customize the display screen. Let's begin! Let's start! You can resize each window in this way by hovering the mouse pointer over the edge of each window and dragging where the shape of the mouse pointer changes. You can split each window in the same way, hovering the mouse pointer over the corner of each window and dragging where the shape of the mouse pointer changes. And again with merging each window, hovering the mouse pointer over the corner of each window, dragging where the shape of the mouse pointer changes, and moving the mouse toward the window that you want to merge. Next, I'll explain how to split the screen from the View button. Click the View button, and then click Toggle Quad View from Area to display the 3D view screen divided into 4. To return to one screen, click the View button in the same way, and then click Toggle Quad View from Area to return to one screen. You can switch the editor type for each window by clicking the Editor Type button at the top left of each window. You can change the 3D viewport to an outliner by clicking the editor type at the top left of the 3D viewport window and selecting outliner. Next, let's switch workspaces. You can work in the workspace according to your purpose by switching the workspace from the workspace menu. If you want to save your own customized interface layout, select Default, Save Startup File from File tab in the header menu. This is the end of the lecture on how to change and customize the display screen. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.